Hello students, today I am very much sad and much more I am very much angry. After so long time I visited in a zoo, but do you know all my excitement just vanishes when I notice all those animals. ये जू I was very much excited. मैं जाऊँगा, I will watch there the tiger, the most ferocious animal. उसके कहर, उसके आवाज़ से मैं सरप्राइज हो जाऊँगा. बट रियली what I notice there, no, it's very sad. Even the tiger is so lazy, it's sleeping throughout hours and hours. Nothing can be seen. Okay, forget about it. It's my sadness that I can't see the real tiger. How they are living in the zoo. How the zookeepers, they are behaving with the tiger. No space is there. The tiger is just sleeping, lazy, they are very much weak. You can't see, that is like a cat, not a tiger. Let's forget about it, beta. If you went in a zoo, you will be just sad. Now today we have to study. Look at the board. Here in the chapter of first flight we are having the chapter. I can remember because of this poem. इस poem देख के मुझे याद आ गया जू का visit. So the name of the chapter is the tiger in a zoo. अब फिर से मेरा मन खराब हो रहा है कि किस तरीके से टाइगर को जू में रखा जाता है. द किंग ऑफ द जंगल नाउ लिविंग इनसाइड अ जू. बेटा इन दिस पोएम ऑल्सो द पोएट he is just criticizing the human beings activities, how the human beings are putting those ferocious animals inside the cage and all their freedom has been taken away. The poet here present the tiger inside a zoo. Now he contrasted the situation of the tiger in the zoo with the tiger in a jungle. Listen carefully. Contrast, comparison. The poet has compared how the tiger is living inside a zoo and how the tiger should be living inside a jungle. The sharp contrast has been presented in this poem, The Tiger in a Zoo by Leslie Norris. He, at the very first stanza, he told that the tiger is, although its skin color is very bright with yellow white stripe, but it can't move because it is inside a very small cage. At the same time, if the tiger in a jungle should be in this time, it is watching very carefully near a lake or near a pond where one deer will come, it will just jump over the deer and it will kill and it will make its food. But the tiger itself remaining inside the zoo and nothing it can. It's just sleeping there, it's become lean, it is just very much weak. The tiger at the night, it is looking over the sky, looking above his head. He is looking at the stars and he is thinking how his freedom has been taken from him. The tiger, if inside the jungle, if you visit any place, no, from the villages you can hear the loud roaring sound of the tiger. But inside the zoo, you will not hear the sound of that roaring tiger. They are very much in a distress condition, in a poor condition. So beta, the poem is only to tell us that animals, their real living place is inside the jungle, not inside the cage. Although for our entertainment, the people are putting those animals inside the tiger, but actually they are not happy there. They are very much sad. They can't do anything. They are just staying there, just living their life without any interest. They are very much sad from their heart. So this poem you have to read carefully, and after that you have to tell me which lines, which words you are having problem.